Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's BLOKTOPIA video update for January 4th, Tuesday. And very quickly, if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord because people in here, they share some really good things. I enjoy actually reading some people's charts as well. So there's a lot of channels and a lot of fun and a lot of people on the Discord as well. Now, talking about BLOKTOPIA, there's something that I wanted to actually update about some few days ago, and it seems like a downfall is still continuing and the downfall is still intact. Now, previously I was trying to make a video update, but then again my computer actually messed up 2 3 days ago, and I wanted to talk about the apex that's actually coming in for BLOKTOPIA. Now, before I talk about the apex about BLOKTOPIA as well, I want to show you a trend line that hasn't been broken in a while, that has been broken out today. So this was a touch right there, an influence nearly right there, another influence here, one influence right there, and now look at that tiny small breakout right now. Okay, so there's a small positive progress basically. Now I want to give you the overview of BLOKTOPIA as well, and from here I want to actually bring in BLOKTOPIA. So you have that symmetrical triangle, and the technical target of the symmetrical triangle is actually 0.045. Do you understand that? Now, at the moment, people are saying that it's trying to look bullish. It's trying to look bullish, which is undecisive at the moment. I'm not saying it's bearish or bullish at the moment. Now the sentiments here is what you want to see for BLOKTOPIA. I'm actually going to remove the yellow box from here right there. I don't think it's actually going to ever go down there. And in my opinion, Bitcoin from next week, not a financial advice, but from in the next coming weeks, potentially Bitcoin is going to start to move to the upside. At the moment, Bitcoin has been in a very choppy market right now. So what's up with BLOKTOPIA and this trend line that has been broken finally? Because the last time you actually broke out of it, you make a fake out. You just went up like that, and then you made a fake out, and then you continue back to the inside as well. Now, is this your bottom? Because you're potentially putting in a double bottom on the 4-hour time frame, and this could be your absolute bottom as well. And you might never go all the way down to this, level right there, because you're putting in a double bottom and you're starting to reverse now a little bit, and now you're breaking out of a large trend line that has never been broken before. And if this one actually plays out, that's going to be amazing, really amazing. I'm going to turn on the EMAs as well. Now we are still very far from the EMAs. As a matter of fact, even on the daily, we are very far from the EMAs right now. So basically what you can expect is that, as a matter of fact, what I want to say is with the EMA, my point here is, hear me out carefully. You see, when the prices are moving upside to like this, they go up and up and up and up and up and up, and then the EMAs behind, they follow like this. The price go down to retest the EMAs and then continue. Do you understand that? Now the same rule applies for a downtrend. You're gonna go down like this, just like BLOKTOPIA is doing, and then you have the EMAs which is far away, and then the price do go up to test the EMAs as well. So you have double bottom now, you're breaking out of a trend line, and now potentially, because you're very far overextended from the EMAs, you are gonna have to visit the EMAs, and that's just how crypto works. So basically, what's my take? At least you're gonna visit the 55 EMA right there, which is the blue line, or you can actually visit this 20 EMA, which is the blue line right over here of 0.06116, and then from there would be a nice price appreciation of nearly 17%, right? But 17% is not like the gain that we're here for in crypto, right? We need bigger gains more than that. And BLOKTOPIA is a metaverse project, which I believe is kind of actually solid project for on the metaverse. Just because it was going down, it doesn't mean the project is bad. It's just retracing because it has been pumping for a long time right now. Do you see that? Ever since it was launched here, it just went and catapult all the way, boom, right? It was just been thrown out like a bomb out there, and basically now it's making a very positive progress. What I'm going to do is actually I'm going to go into the indicators once again. All you have to do is go up here, click the indicators, and in the indicators and strategies you can write in double B and click on the Bollinger Bands as well. Yeah, so talking about the Bollinger Bands, we are at the very bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and you're making a double bottom right like this. So on the short term frame, expect this one to go to the 0.055, very very tiny small short term target right there. And in my opinion, this is the lowest now you can buy, and it's looking good for an entry. I would personally recommend you to enter now because it's starting to look good once again, and that in my opinion could be the very 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 bottom, unless you don't start to lose the 0.05 0024, and then from here in my opinion then you're going to go all the way down and fall even to that blue line right there. But if you're now starting to make a double bottom like that on the 4-hour time frame, those are bullish pattern. By the way, if you're new to the channel, let's do a quick Google and write in here double bottom pattern, right? And from here I'm just going to open up the images, and we like to talk about this one always in detail. So here we are, and I'm actually going to show you this one right here, or potentially this one. This looks good to me. So now you're gonna have first bottom and second bottom just like that. Or this one, you have a neckline, you have the first bottom and the second bottom. Now how does this look on a on Blocktopia as well? I'm gonna actually bring here and zoom in to talk in the details. So basically what you're doing is you're potentially putting that double bottom and the W right like this, and those are bullish pattern, and you're breaking out of a trend line which you've already done. So it seems like you're back testing, and now you're not falling inside the trend line once again. So this is going to be a neckline, and from wherever you're going to break out of the neckline of this double bottom pattern, that's going to take you all the way to nearly 0.063066. So I'm going to put a blue line right there, and I'm going to remove this one because in the future if you start to break the neckline, that's where you're going to go, and that's positive. From there, in my opinion, it's just going to reverse and potentially even will go all the way back to the all-time high, which is the 17 cents as well. And that in my opinion, guys, it's looking so good. So one more indicator that I want to bring in is the RSI, relative strength index, and I'm going to open up the relative strength index here. Can I actually check this one on the daily? Yep, on the day, guys, it's bullish. It's bullish. Now the RSI is actually forming a potential bullish divergence. Do you see that? The prices are going up like this on the RSI a little bit there. It's a potential hidden bullish divergence, and then you have this prices going down, the RSI was moving up. Guys, this for me is at the oversold level, and according to technical analysis, it's a buying time. And in my opinion, this could be one of the best entries ever that you're gonna get for Blocktopia, and you're never gonna get this price maybe ever again. Not a financial advice, but to me, damn, I'm giving it a huge tick right now and a thumbs up, that now I think is the best time to enter Blocktopia, based on the charts and on my own personal opinion. Okay, based on the charts, based on how I've been reading the charts for a long time right now, this is looking good. This is looking amazing to me, and I will personally even try to enter Blocktopia from this price level. So yeah, so that's it guys for today's update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.